Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix VC runtime 140 underscore 1.dll was not found or missing in Windows when trying to install a program or application here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. So simply double tap to it if in case you have placed it here at the desktop, but if not, you can simply use your button search bar and search for it. Okay? So wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser. And once you are here, just have to wait until a search bar would be available for us. Okay, so here at the search bar, please type for Visual C++ redistributable. The moment you have typed it, let me just edit my typo. Sorry for that. My bad. Click on enter the moment you have typed it and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Okay, so here you would be able to see a very first option, which is under Microsoft.com, which contains the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Now click on this link so that you would be able to proceed to the Microsoft Visual Redistributable application. Okay, once you are here, please scroll down and look for a table where you can see this table. I mean, where you can see the link where you can download of each particular version. Okay, so before proceeding such, you need to identify first what architecture is compatible in your system information. I mean, system type, sorry, in your system type. Okay, so how would you get the system information of your computer? Again, before proceeding on clicking the link, make sure that the architecture that you have selected is compatible to your system type. How would you know the system information? So here at the bottom search bar, please type for info and wait until a best match would appear, which is system information. Go with open and wait until a new window would appear, which is this. Okay, so here it's still refreshing system information. You just have to wait until all of the information of your system would appear. And once it's here, proceed with system type, where you can know or where you can identify what system type do you have in your computer. So in my case, I have an x64-bit based PC. So I mean, once you have identified your system type, close this window and proceed on choosing the link which is compatible to your system. Okay. So if you have an x64, which is the most common, I mean, most of the laptop have x64-bit computer. So proceed with the third. And if you have x86, proceed with the second. And if you have the ARM 64, proceed with the first. Okay? So click on this link. And the moment you have to click on it, it will automatically be starting. I mean, it will automatically start to download the application. You just have to download it. In my case, I have already downloaded the application, which is this, which you can see it here. You just have to download it in your case since you don't have that. That's why you're facing an error. Okay. So click on download and wait until it will be done. It will depend. I mean, the download would be depend on the network that you are connecting to. So make sure that you have connected. I mean, you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. Okay. Once you're done, close this window and install it in your Windows. Okay. So proceed in installing such, and once done, restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed in this video. So restart it, and once you have restarted it, try to run or install again the application that you wanted to install here in your Windows. I'm sure it will be working this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.